Hi, this is RFK Jr., and I'm on steroids or TRT. He is right. Organic, whole foods, and plant-based recipes save, not fast food factory farmed animals. Ew, posing with dead animals? Mental illness? Hot dogs made of dogs? Might as well after they die naturally in shelters. Why waste? Dead whale meat does beat sick fish farms and super trawler nets. He admits to using testosterone, an anabolic steroid. Maybe that's why he acts a little crazy and brainworms.
Organic whole foods and plant-based recipes, not sick factory farm animals for 360 million people. Steroid queen spends $4,000 per month on steroids or drugs while lying claiming that the gains are from organs and animal body parts.
Raw milk is not natural or nice. Creepy, perverted, utter sucklers. Rape cream.
No!
Gross female birds' periods.
Defund all the sick factory farm welfare subsidies.
Hey, sweetness.
Most major dietitian organizations worldwide endorse vegan. Veganhealth.org breaks it all down. It's science, what we need, and sources. Most get ample or too much protein, even vegans.
Herbivore power!
Gorilla, bull, elephant, horse, kangaroo, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, brontosaurus.
Plant power!
Many vegan women could slap most insecure carnivore boys around.